Yesterday already we saw some tools. Today we go some more tools. Let's see. We can open from Windows, App Store, go to the Adobe Photoshop, or otherwise you can go with a search button. Here you can type Photoshop, or otherwise you can take Windows R in a keyboard. Windows plus R, it is a Photoshop. You can click on Photoshop. You can type a Photoshop and click it OK. Anytime these 3 steps you can open. Just open it. Yesterday what we have saw eyedropper tool. This is the interface of the Photoshop. Already we saw some tools yesterday. These are all the tools we already saw. But a basic thing, a small thing what we have to do here, we have to use a magic wand tool or quick selection tool to cut the image. To cut the image, and we can place that image into another background. Yesterday what we have seen. Okay, we go for a brush. Using with a brush tool, we do a small concept. Means see, this is a brush tool and pencil tool, color replacement tool, and mixer brush tool. Take a brush tool, file, new document, and this is the default size. You can keep a default size, or you can keep a 12 by 6 inches like this, and keep it as a default size, and keep it as a pixels and inches, and keep the resolution 72, and click it OK. Now take a brush tool. What we do with brushes, and if you increase and decrease the brush size, what is the shortcut in keyboard? It flower brackets to increase and decrease the brush size. Flower brackets. Flower brackets is for decreasing, increasing the brush like this. Come to here, and we have a decreasing and increasing using with keyboard, and increasing. Like this we can increase and decrease the brush size. Now we have two types of brushes. One is hard brush. Hard brush means the brush size will be very hard, and one type of brush is soft brush. Like this we have two types of brushes, and we can change the color, and we can draw the brushes. If there is an artist, they can do the brush strokes with a different type of characters and different type of shapes, everything. They have some idea for artistic levels. They use the brushes very frequently. Okay, but in our part we are the very particular. We have to learn not only the brush related concepts. We can't work in the companies and as well as project levels. Okay, this is only the step to learn. This is only the step to learn for idea purpose only. What is the brush? That's it. Why means we are not an artist, we are not a sketchers, we are not art workers. We are the branding collaterals, we are the branding promoters, we are the branding departments. We have to work complete the branding part. Branding is nothing but completely the corporate company who is handling the different sector that we call as a branding. For every company there is a branding part. That's why we have to finally the conclusion should be go as a branding part only. Okay, Naveen. Hello, Naveen. Hello, Naveen. Naveen.
అన్న ఇది స్క్రీన్ పైన ఏదో పేరు వచ్చింది, అది క్యాన్సిల్ చేద్దామని మళ్ళీ ఓకే చేసిన.
ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుందా? నేను అదే స్క్రీన్
వస్తుందా అన్న? అన్న
అర్థమవుతుంది, అర్థమవుతుందా?
అవుతుంది.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే బ్రాండింగ్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనము ఇక్కడ ఉన్న బ్రషెస్తో మనం ఏంటంటే బ్రషెస్తో చేసి ప్రాజెక్ట్ లెవెల్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత బ్రషెస్తో చేయం. మనం ఎవరు చేస్తారంటే బ్రషెస్ని, హూ విల్ డూ ద బ్రషెస్ వర్క్ ద కంప్లీట్ ద ఆర్ట్ స్కెచెస్, అంటే మన స్కెచింగ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు కానీ లేదా కంప్లీట్గా బొమ్మలు గీసుకునే వాళ్ళు కానీ ఏదైనా క్యారెక్టర్ డిజైన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు కానీ వాళ్ళు చేస్తారు. బట్ వీఆర్ నాట్ ద కంప్లీట్ ద స్కెచ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫర్ స్కెచెస్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ బిఎఫ్ఏ, బ్యాచులర్ ఆఫ్ ఫైన్ ఆర్ట్స్. అంటే మనకి దానికి సపరేట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉండిద్ది, బిఎఫ్ఏ అంటారు, బ్యాచులర్ ఆఫ్ ఫైన్ ఆర్ట్స్ అంటారు. అది 5 సంవత్సరాల కోర్స్ ఉండిద్ది. That is a 5 years of course. Riya, you following me?
Yes.
You understand? Did you understanding what I'm telling?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for that. That's why we are only the particular how the brush will help for us. Here we will see and how we work on the brushes. Let's see. Okay, come to the brushes part. Just do the brushes, and we have means this is the brush size of the brush. And what are the properties we have here? Brush hardness and smoothness and brush size. See here, the brush size is increased and brush hardness like this we can decrease. Again, brush smoothness will be down. And these are the different type of brushes like this. And close the document and take a new document and click it here, inches 7/5. Now this is the brushes, and pencil also same thing. Like this we can draw the some drawings. If you need to increase the brush of pencil, same flower brackets we can increase and we can decrease, and we can change the color of the brush. Like this we can draw the brushes, and the same properties it will be applicable on here. Everything will be there. And how the background is there completely, we applied so many things here. Again I have to come to as a white background, means again I have to fill a white color of background. Where is the white color? Is it front color or back color? Back color. Okay, what is the shortcut to fill the back color?
Control backspace.
Yes, exactly, control plus backspace. Okay, when I feel the control plus backspace, it came clear. The background is very clear. Now go to the color replacement tool. What is color replacement tool? After color replacement tool, we do a small concept using with these brushes. Okay, and in my mindset we have a small concept, that is a using with one black background, as well as some stars, okay, and tree and hills. Like that I have a small concept that should be implemented in this class. Let's see how the output will come. Take a brush tool, and first of all what I told, it's a black background. The background should be very black. Come to the black background. Okay, good. How we fill the color? This color should be filled here. How? Alt backspace or control backspace?
Alt backspace.
Yes, alt backspace. or backspace. Yes. Now, what I told, it's a moon. Moon should become and take a normal brush only. And what is the color? Just I'm clicking here. Is it applying? The color is coming. When I am filling the brush, already I have taken the brush tool. I am just filling the color. Is it coming anything?
Yes,
What you seeing in the color here?
but background color and brush color same.
That's it. That is the thing. Sometimes the people will confused. That's why this is the question to clarify the people. Okay, right. The brush color and the background color are same. What should we take? We have to change the color. It's white and fill it. Now is it okay?
Yes.
Now I have to move this moon from one place to another place. Take a move tool. Just move it. Is it moving? Is it moving? The moon is moving? No. Why? Could not use the move tool because the layer is locked. What happened here? The background and the moon layer and background. See, the only we have one background layer. Already the background layer is black, and the same background layer we filled as a moon object. The two objects means the background layer as well as object are in a single layer, and it is a locked layer. That's why it's not moving. Could not use the move tool because the layer is locked. Then what we have to do? Come backward. Control Alt Z. Step backward. Already I told you guys. Control Alt Z. Step backward. Here the concept will follow again. Control Alt Z. Step backward. Control Shift Z. Step forward. This we call as a undo, means come backward, and this is called as a redo, coming forward. Come to here again, Control Alt Z, step backward. Now taking a new layer. What is the shortcut of new layer, guys? It's Control Shift N. Control Shift N. Already I told here Control Shift N. Here the shortcut is there. You can see here also Control Shift N, and take a, this is called moon. Okay, we taken a transparency layer, then take a brush tool. What is the shortcut of brush tool? B. This is the B. Take a brush tool and fill it the brush. Good. Now you can take a move tool. What is the shortcut of move tool? V. Here already we have a shortcuts, guys. V. Take a move tool and move from one place to another place. And I would like to transform. What is the shortcut of transform? Control T. All the shortcuts I am applying here. What the shortcuts we learned here? All the shortcuts I'm applying here. Control T for transform controls. Transform controls. Hold Shift plus Alt key and drag into one of the corner, and then it will get transform proportionally. Control T, transform. Shift plus Alt. Hold Shift plus Alt and transform it. Then four corners it will come uniformity, and uniformity scaling it will done. Then double click of the layer. Okay, the brush is completed, the moon is completed. Come to here, the moon, and this I would like to take a soft brush. Again I need some glow of the moon, like this, the moon and the moon glow. The next step what we have to do, it's a stars. Like this we have a stars. Take the stars, and what should we have to do for stars? Again I have to take a new layer. It's a stars background. Take a stars, click it on the, and we can decrease, and we can go for small stars, and we can go for big stars. And is a stars layer. Okay, and I can go with a color stars also. Some funkiness. And these are the stars. And next step, what we have to do, we have to design some hills. What is the, take a brush tool, again take a brush tool, again go to the brush, hard brush, and decrease the size of the layer, and take a hills with a black background. I'm just taking the gray color of hills and just drawing the and increasing the size. I'm just filling. And what happened here, guys? The stars and the hills layer are same. Is it correct? Is it correct?
No.
No. Then what should we do? Again come backward. Again we have to draw the hills. But so much of work we done here. That's why the layers are separate. The layers, it's not overlapping. This layer is different and this layer is different. Okay, it's not overlapping, and that's why I'm just taking the rectangular marquee tool. I'm selecting this part. Okay, and Control J is duplicate the layer, and Control Shift J duplicate via cut. Duplicate via cut means we can cut with two parts. It will be split into two parts. Control Shift J. See automatically what happened here. See here the layers palette. Control Shift J. The stars is different and the layers is different. The hills are different. Okay, if in case if you do anything overlapping with the two, means two objects are overlapping into one layer, then you have to use this Control Shift J to split into the two layers. అంటే మనకి ఒకే లేయర్లో ఇక్కడ స్టార్స్ ఉన్నాయి, హిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, స్టార్స్ హిల్స్ రెండు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఇక్కడ చాలా వర్క్ చేసాం. హిల్స్ అంటే ఇవన్నీ డ్రా చేసాం, ఇవన్నీ డిజైన్ చేసుకున్నాం. కాబట్టి ఒక్కసారిగా వెనక్కి వెళ్ళలేం. కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు కూడా ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి అతుక్కోవట్లేదు కాబట్టి, అంటే ఓవర్లాప్ అవ్వట్లేదు కాబట్టి, దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, ఎంతవరకు మనకు కావాలో అంతవరకు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని దానికి దీనికి టచ్ అవ్వకుండా కంట్రోల్ జే అంటే డూప్లికేట్ అయింది, కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ జే అంటే మనకి డూప్లికేట్ వయా కట్ అయింది. అప్పుడు డూప్లికేట్ వయా కట్ అయినప్పుడు ఈ రెండు లేయర్స్ ఒకే దాంట్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది డివైడ్ అయింది, ఇది డివైడ్ అయింది. అర్థమైందా?
అన్నా
అర్థమవుతుందా?
లేదన్న, ఇది అంత కరెక్ట్ గా కనిపించలేదు, అంటే వినలేదు.
అదే చెప్తున్నా, నీకోసమే తెలుగులో చెప్పాను మళ్ళీ.
ఓకే ఓకే అన్న.
చూడు ఓకేనా?
సరే అన్న.
మళ్ళీ చూడు, స్టార్స్ లేయర్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్ ఉంది కదా?
ఉందన్న.
స్టార్స్ ఒక లేయర్ పెట్టాను, స్టార్స్ లోనే మళ్ళీ హిల్స్ డ్రా చేశాను. స్టార్స్ లేయరు ప్లస్ హిల్స్ లేయరు రెండు ఒకే లేయర్ లో ఉన్నాయి. రెండు ఒకే లేయర్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను నాకు క్లయింట్ వచ్చి ఏమంటాడు, స్టార్స్ ఇంకొద్దిగా తగ్గియమంటాడు. స్టార్స్ కొద్దిగా తగ్గిస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఏమవుతాయి, హిల్స్ కూడా తగ్గుతాయి. అంటే రెండు ఒకే లేయర్ లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలి, దాన్ని స్టార్స్ని డివైడ్ చేయాలి, అలాగే హిల్స్ని డివైడ్ చేయాలి. మనం మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి రావాలంటే ఈ వర్క్ అంతా మళ్ళీ డిజైన్ చేసుకోవాల్సి వచ్చింది మనం. కాబట్టి ఇదే లేయర్లో ఉండి, అంటే అదే లేయర్లో ఉండి దాన్ని రెండు ముక్కల కింద డివైడ్ చేయాలి. అంటే స్టార్స్ని సపరేట్గా చేయాలి, హిల్స్ని సపరేట్గా చేయాలి. మామూలుగా మనం డూప్లికేట్ చేయాలంటే షార్ట్ కట్ ఏంటి, కంట్రోల్ జే అంటే డూప్లికేట్ అయ్యిద్ది. కంట్రోల్ జే డూప్లికేట్ చేశాను అంటే స్టార్స్ హిల్స్ మళ్ళీ వచ్చాయి. నాకు డూప్లికేట్ వద్దు, ఇక్కడ డూప్లికేట్ వయా కట్ కావాలి. అంటే డూప్లికేట్ వయా కట్ అంటారు. వయా కట్ అంటే నీకు స్టార్స్ అంటే ఎంతవరకు నువ్వు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటావో ఆ ముక్క నీకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా కట్ అయిపోద్ది. అంటే నాకు హిల్స్ ఎంతవరకు ఉన్నాయి? ఇంతవరకే కదా ఉంది హిల్స్.
అవునన్న.
మరి స్టార్స్ ఏమైనా అతుక్కుంటున్నాయా? ఇక్కడ హిల్స్ కి అతుక్కోవట్లేదు. కాబట్టి స్టార్స్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయి, హిల్స్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, ఆ ఎంతవరకు కావాలో ఆ హిల్స్ వరకు నేను చూసుకొని కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ జే అంటే డూప్లికేట్ వయా కట్ అయింది. చూడు అయ్యిందా?
అయింది.
అంటే హిల్స్ సపరేట్ అయ్యింది, స్టార్స్ సపరేట్. అలా కాకుండా సార్ మీరు డూప్లికేట్ చేయమన్నారు, అందుకని నేను కంట్రోల్ జే డూప్లికేట్ చేశాను అన్నారనుకో, అప్పుడు డూప్లికేట్ అయ్యిద్ది. ఏది? హిల్స్ సపరేట్ అవుతాయి, అలాగే స్టార్స్ కూడా సపరేట్ అవుతాయి. కానీ ఇందులో స్టార్స్లో మళ్ళీ ఏముంది? హిల్స్ ఉంది. స్టార్స్లో మళ్ళీ హిల్స్ కూడా ఉంది, చూసావా? కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డూప్లికేట్ చేసుకుంటే డూప్లికేటే అయ్యిద్ది. కంట్రోల్ జే అంటే డూప్లికేటే, కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ జే అంటే డూప్లికేట్ వయా కట్ అయ్యిద్ది ఇలా. కాబట్టి ద షార్ట్ కట్ ఈజ్ కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ జే, duplicate via cut, splitting into the layer, split the objects, split the layers separately. అంతే కదా, ఒక లేయర్ ని మనం స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నాము, ఇట్ ఈస్ సపరేటింగ్ ద అనదర్ లేయర్. స్టార్ట్స్ ఇస్ స్టార్ట్స్ అండ్ హిల్స్ ఆర్ హిల్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్. ఓకే, నౌ ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా?
అయిందన్న.
ఓకే, గుడ్. ఓకే, come back to the hills and stars. Moon, stars, hills, everything is came. Now what we have to do, we have to design some tree. Guys, I am not that much perfect artist, don't laugh, okay? Just take a brush tool and take what is the tree color? The stem color will be brown. What we should do, man, again the same mistake we are doing. We have to take a new layer, tree. Now increase the brush. Take a move tool. Now we can move it. Now I need a leaves. Take a brush tool, come to here, you can check it here. Is there any leaves? Yes, we have a leaves. What is the leaf color?
Green.
Decrease the brush and take a green color, and I'm just taking background and foreground, the two colors. Like this. Okay, now tree is completed. Then I need a grass. Take a new layer. What is the shortcut of new layer? Control Shift N to creating a new layer. Control Shift N to create a new layer, and here we have to give it's a grass. Now these are the different objects. Why we have taken the new this much layers? We can customize it, we can move it, and we can transform it. We can move it, we can transform it, and we can place it like this. Okay, and come to the pencil. What the pencil will do, if you need any I need a house. Take a house. Use the shift key for a straight line. and I can transform the house. Control T for transform controls. I don't want this color. I have to apply some another color like this. How we can apply this color? Take some different color. Rio, how can we fill the color, blue color to this house? Yeah, how can we fill the color? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, how can we fill this color, this blue color to this house?
And fill. क्योंकि यहाँ से open है.
Screen is visible?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. This blue color should be applied to this house color. This color should be applied to here. How? Naveen, ఇక్కడున్న కలర్ ఇక్కడ ఫిల్ చేయాలి. ఏం చేయాలి? The blue color should be applied to this house. How? General thing. Is it a front color or back color?
Front color.
Then how can we fill?
Alter backspace.
What happened? The color has filled complete document. Okay. This object, we have any selection? This object, we have any selection?
No.
That's what I'm asking. There is no selection. Without having the selection to fill the color. Without having the selection, how can we fill the color? Without having the selection to filling the color. If there is no selection. Yes, exactly. Hi, Altaf. Alt Shift backspace to fill the color. Alt Shift backspace to fill the color. That's what I'm saying. See, tree, hills came, and grass came, and almost the house also came. Comes in the back of the grass only. Like this. Please keep mute, man. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, like this we can design something like some tree objects using with the brushes only. I designed like this, just only using with the brushes. Okay, just practice this one. Okay, and do the practicals and do the layers is very important, man. Please check with the layers, do the practice of the layers. Any doubts you can ask me, and take step by step layers. Why we are creating the layers? To customize the objects. Why means I can select it, I can delete the hills, I can select it, I can delete the house, I can select it and I can delete the grass, I can select it and I can delete the tree, and I can forward, means front and back, send backward and send forward, and send backward the grass in behind the hills, and the hills will be come back, and again the hills come front. Like this we can send the back, means we can arrange the layers. This we call as arranging the layers front and back. We can arrange the layers, we can customize the layers, we can delete the layers, we can manipulate the layers. These are all the steps we can work. Okay, a layers is very important. Please practice the layers and select it. It is a brush, and when I am saving the brush, what the format it is there? It is .psd. What? PSD, Photoshop document. This is a brush. When I'm saving the brush, save, then automatically it will take brush.psd. PSD is nothing but extension. and Photoshop document. PSD is nothing but Photoshop document. I'm just saving this file. Okay, now is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Then close the document. Again, file, new document, take a inches. Please do the practice. Sir, you save as a brush.psd, but it should be export as a image. File, save as, click it here and work as a JPG. JPEG, and save as a save, and the quality will be like this. Keep the quality high. Okay, now where it is there, see, minimize all the objects, and it is in a classes views, and the classes here, the brush dot, this is our PSD file, and this is our JPG file. We can place anywhere and we can post into anywhere. Like this, the format type will be changed. Now come to here, control and new document, take the inches, color replacement tool, take any object or any image. What is the color here? The thing is and the quality is very less. Yes, open the image in a new tab and save it. Desktop and save. I'm just saving into the desktop only. Saving the files. Enough. Enough, and we can open the file open where we saved. It is a desktop, keep it as a desktop, go to the desktop and save any file. Already we saved so many files, it's not opening. Yes, what is the color of the sari here? Red. Then we have to change it. Take a brush tool, color replacement tool. If you apply a brush, what happened? Complete the brushes filling on the sari. Okay, that is not a format. What should we do? We have to replace, color replace, means we have to replace the color. Come to here, and I need some violet color, and take the zoom, like brush increasing and decreasing, flower brackets already I explained here. Flower brackets to increase and decrease the brush size. Now like this we can apply, we can change the saree color. Now we can take a red color, take some blue color. Yes, we can take a blue color and we can fill the, it's applying guys. And we can change the same violet on here. Like this we can change the color, and we can change the hair color also. Like this we can change the image color to the, we can replace the colors from the image. This is called color replacement tool. Again you can take any image. Now mixer brush tool. What is mixer brush tool? You can take some background on the same background image. We can mix the image into the background. This is called mixer brush. Take a mixer brush, and this is the wet, moist, wet, light mix, wet mix, heavy mix. So many styles we have. Take it here, and we can mix it very clearly. Here also, we can mix it very clear. Using with a background color, automatically it will come. Why means very wet, it's a light mix. Automatically the mixing of the color, and we can mix it here and take it here and moist. It will come light of the color, and the background will follow like this. And Control Alt Z, step backward, again come backward, again use with some more styles. Dry, complete the color will flow, and dry heavy load, same thing. Wet, like this. This is one type of style, just mixer brush, just mixing the brush color into the image background. Okay, brush, pencil, color replacement tool, and mixer brush. Just practice once. If you have any doubts, you just ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay, and do the sample of this one. Do one type of this with your own creativity and send me in the WhatsApp. Okay,